Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mobile Home Investing Secrets. Mobile Home Investing Secrets. And I just want to talk to you guys today about mobile home investing, about how you guys have to look at things differently. You have to look at mobile home investing differently than traditional real estate investing. Why is that? Because, guys, I get a lot of emails or a lot of comments under the videos saying, in my area, mobile homes are going for 200,000, 100,000, 150,000 or 80,000. I don't see how can I get deals at the prices that you're getting these deals, Glenn. So I want to walk you guys through a deal that I did a while back, and I just want to share with you how you can't look at things as you do when it comes to traditional real estate investing. So let's do this right quick. A lot of you are saying, I can't find these deals um, for 200. I can't find these cheap deals. Many of you think that your area is unique, that homes are priced out of your range in your area. Well, guys, I'm in Louisiana. Let's look at what Louisiana homes are going for. Look at this: 185,000, 180,000, 58,000, 100,000, 104,000, 125,000, 110,000. Look at this, guys. So you are not unique in your area. This My area has the same prices as your area does. So don't feel like, Glenn, I'm priced out of mobile home investing. Guys, you have to look at things differently. And I want to talk to you today about wholesaling, how you can get deals without putting up any of your money. You just have to put in the hustle. You have to change your lens. You have to look at things differently. So let's get back to these pictures. Let's get back to this mobile home. So let's talk about this deal, guys. This is a wholesale deal. And let me tell you a quick background about this home. Look at it. It has vinyl siding. It's real nice. And guys, homes like these are in your area. The seller, he reached out to me, wanted to just get this off of his property. As you can see here, this is a nice brick home. So this home was located in a nice area. And what a lot of you guys don't realize is that there are tons of homes like this in your area that they're just sitting in people's yards. They're just waiting for someone to come and remove them from their property. And this was the situation with this seller. In fact, seller reached out to me and told me, hey, just come get it. And I kind of denied this seller. I was like, you know what? My hands are pretty much full right now. I really don't have the time to fool with homes. During this time I had a lot of things going on. So the seller was like, you know what? He waited. He actually waited. I said, well, maybe in the future I can probably help you. So he reached out like 3 months later. He was like, hey, Glenn, I was just seeing if now you had any free time to come look at this home. So I was like, man, this guy is persistent. So went out and actually looked at the home, guys. And I don't remember if he said he wanted something for it or not, but I'm gonna show you how I made this deal work. And I want to share with you too a recent success story from one of our students who purchased the materials. Let's go through these images. Look at this, guys. It has a metal roof, uh, vinyl siding. Again, it has this porch. And what I want you guys to think of, don't be intimidated when you see all of this porch attached to it, the shrubbery around the home. You see junk on the porch. Don't be intimidated by this stuff. So this is what I want to show you on the inside. Look how nice this home was, guys. And a little bit of backstory on this too was his kids was living in this home, and that's what I we talk about inside the course, inside the book, that a seller's motivation. These people have many motivations. That's why you have to find out what's going on. Why are they motivated to sell the home? And this seller's motivation was they had a kid in college who was living in the home, and they transitioned out of the home. When they finished school, they went get their own home, traditional home. So home is just this mobile home. They don't need it anymore. It's just sitting on the property, becoming a nuisance. And you see, there's furniture still in here. I mean, they redid the floors. You see vinyl wood floor throughout. No leaks in the ceiling. Let's look at a few more of these pictures. I mean, boxes. And again, don't get intimidated by the junk when you see this in homes. Again, books, boxes, but look at these cabinets. Look how nice this was. It comes with the stove. Look at the vinyl flooring within the rooms. No leaks anywhere. I'm just flipping through these pictures, guys. Again, do not get intimidated by the junk. You like it when you see junk. That's something that you have to realize. When you see junk, that's extra bargaining power that's in your pocket. So you love to see junk because I want to share something with you too that when we do these deals, guys, we don't touch anything. How you see this home laid out with all the junk in it, that's how we got rid of the home. So that's what makes us different from, excuse me, a lot of coaches that are on YouTube or that you see flipping these mobile homes or trying to wholesale homes. We do minimal, if any, work to these homes. We get rid of them just like we got them. Only thing we had to do with this home was we did sweep to make it look nice a little bit. But what's sweeping? That took us 15, 20 minutes the most. So let's keep looking at these pictures. Again, you see vinyl flooring throughout. Look at this furniture. Look at this nice flooring, guys. Vinyl flooring throughout, and it was all throughout the home. This is the bathroom tub. I mean, look, guys, no leaks, solid floors throughout. This home was really, really solid. One of the extra bathrooms. I think it was a two bedroom, two bath home. That's it for these pictures. Let's go back and see some of these other pictures. Yep, you see the porch, you see it, metal roof, things like that. Man just wanted the home removed off of the property. See this porch, not a problem. This is nothing to get intimidated by, guys. I think this home was a 98. So this seller, guys, I rejected them. He was persistent. He contacted me 3 months later to come and get this home. Went out and looked at it and said, wow, this home would make a nice home for a young family that's growing. So we already knew that we can wholesale this deal, that we, from our buyers, the buyers list that we had, we knew that we had people that would be interested in this home. So, guys, this is what we did. We wholesaled the deal, didn't put up any of our money. We got sellers, a buyer to get rid of the trash that was inside the home. They removed the porch. They moved the home. We didn't lift a finger besides sweeping, guys. And that's how you have to look at it. That you don't have to do any of this work. There are buyers out there who will take care of all of this. They are just searching for a home because you guys know it. Homes today are very expensive. Mobile homes are the last bastion of affordable housing in America. So if you get one of these homes, if you offer it 10,000, 12, 13, even 20,000, $25,000, guys, that's very affordable in today's times because we saw the prices of these other homes, 150, $200,000. So people are just waiting for you to present them with a deal and you can make money off of these type of homes. So didn't put up any money, guys. I think we made about 8,000 on this deal. We paid the seller. I think he was wanting like 1,500 or 2,000 bucks for this home. He was just excited to have us remove it. We gave him what he was asking for, and we pocketed the difference. So it was a win-win situation. And the seller, he loved us, guys. He loved us, and that's what we teach you guys how to do. So got a recent some feedback from a student who bought the materials, and he basically did the same thing that I'm explaining to you guys. There are tons of sellers who are out there who need someone to come and help them remove these types of homes off of their property. And our student was telling us that he Basically, he said the sellers were tired of people dealing with people who are just tire kickers. So there's a strategy, there's a science behind how to get rid of these homes in a efficient, quick manner, and that's what we talk about. We have a system that we call our bulletproof disposition system, where guys, we show you that either in one day or either you'll just show one buyer to walk through the home and you have your buyer, they will purchase it. Now you have to ask certain questions, you have to do certain things, which we all explain within the materials. And the student was saying that he followed everything that we laid out. In fact, he said, this is his words, guys. He said, I finally got of my own way and followed the steps and got my first wholesale deal. Guys, he pocketed $5,000. He said his fee was 3,000, but the sellers were so excited with his performance that they gave him, they said, take five. And that's what we teach you guys how to do. So it's possible, guys. You just have to follow the materials, follow what we say do. And for the price that we're offering for this stuff from Miss Kerry's negotiating experience, I mean, you have so much information in this material that we don't see anyone offering this type of material for the price that we're giving it, guys. So all you really have to do is follow what we say to do, guys, and there's money to be made in mobile home investing. There's more money to be made in wholesaling. There's money to be made if you want to flip homes, if you're looking for rentals. There is money to be made, guys. You have to look at things differently. If you're looking on the MLS or you're looking online for deals, yes, you will see the deals 100,000, 50,000, 80,000, 200,000. But if you follow the steps that we teach you, how to attract these buyers, how to get homes like this home, where people literally want to give them away to you for free, just remove the hassle. Guys, think about it. You'll be the only person in your area that's offering this type of service, because traditional real estate investors, they frown on mobile homes. They don't want no part of it. They see them as junk, but there is lots of money to be made in mobile home investing. So guys, I provided the links below. Visit mobilehomeinvestingsecrets.com. If you're looking for mentorship, if you're a visual learner, if you can pick up stuff from reading, we provide different ways for you to learn our secrets. So definitely check it out. And I hope this video was informative to you guys. All right, I'll talk to you on the next video. Bye bye.